Hello and Assalamu alaikum. Once again, Job Linkers is here to tell you about some exciting and new positions open in the UAE market. So here it is the joblinkers.com, and where you come and you can get information about the recent job openings in the UAE market. So right now we are on our website. You can see that there are multiple opportunities that are used to current post. You can see that 8383 and 83. A few days back, I have posted a multiple job openings here. You can see here. So these are all the recent jobs. So you should try your luck. Look, life gives you multiple opportunities. जिंदगी आपको बहुत ज़्यादा आपको opportunities provide करती है, but it is up to you that how you can handle them, how you respond to them. So this is something I am here to tell you, that the UAE is a place which is a thriving place, that is considered a land that is thriving on the opportunities. So it is up to you how you demonstrate yourself, how you communicate with your employer, and how you show that you are a competitive person for a suitable job. So I am here. I will tell you that what are the job opportunities, and this is up to you that how you respond to them. Okay, your response is the key. यू हैव टू कीप इट इन माइंड कि आप जिस तरह बिहेव करके अपने एम्प्लॉयर्स को दिखाते हो, दैट इज़ समथिंग मेक्स यू एलिजिबल फॉर द जॉब. So I am here to tell you that what is the job opening here. You can see that there are multiple jobs. I have already posted in Dubai, in Al Karama, in Dubai, Al Garhoud, and Dubai Silicon, Dubai again, Raqqa, and Dubai. Okay. After that, when you come down, you can see that there are also I have postings in the blog. I have posted. This is 10 March, and I have posted on the 7th March, 5 March. So multiple opportunities used to open on daily basis. So you have to keep yourself, you have to align yourself, you have to keep updated yourself with these websites. When you come to this website, you can find that if you are in UAE, अगर आप इस टाइम UAE में हैं, then you have to keep yourself aligned with these websites, because multiple employers used to call the applicants on walk-in interview. So when you go to there, you are in the UAE, and you go there, and you can directly go there and you can give your interview. I hope it will help you. So today I'm going to talk about these cashier and storekeeper jobs. I have already opened it here in the next tab. You can see that account cashier and storekeeper. Okay. This is the details of this job, that we are seeking the qualified accountants to join a medical center located in the Al Jumeirah area of the Dubai. The position offers a salary of 5,000 AED, so you can convert it in your own currency, and you will get that it's a very exciting salary. It's a very competitive salary. Additionally, you are going to get a 1,000 AED allowance for your housing, and the company provides residency and a 2-year work contract. So what you are waiting for? So this is a complete package, you see. So if you get selected, if you demonstrate yourself, look, female and male, both genders are welcome. And what I was talking about, that you can see that there is no if you get selected for this job, so you see that there are multiple benefits you are going to drive from this. Okay, what are the key requirements of this website? The proven experience in the accounting role, ability to handle the financial records and reporting. This is not a very tough thing, it's a very easy thing. If you have done your bachelor's, if you are in you are doing ACCA, if you are doing any sort of specialized accounting certifications, then this job is for you. So you can handle financial records and reportings, and you must be fluent in English, or Arabic is a plus. If you are very good in Arabic, then this is a means this is an additional quality, additional thing. So knowledge of accounting and software and systems, you must have an updated CV, copy of the passport, and UAE visa if you have. Then if you don't have, you can apply from your home country as well. Educational certificates, proof of previous employment if available. So they are not requiring that you must have the accounting experience, working experience. Okay, you don't, if you don't have a previous employment experience, but still you think that you have done internships or you have done some projects, so you can apply for this job. Okay, and if interested candidates, they will send their CV to where they will send to this manager.mr SESLAM. So you are have to email your CV, and the CV should be very very demonstrative. Okay, the CV should demonstrate that you must have a good experience. One more thing I want to highlight here, that we also offer the services of how to apply and how to make a good CV. So if you want to take our services, you can contact to our WhatsApp, which is also given on our website. I can show you that it is on the website, and you can join us on the WhatsApp. Okay, so this is the phone number, or our phone number, you can see here. You can take our services. We also apply on the basis of the applicants, and we also help them that what are the key areas an employer are searching and looking for in a good candidate. So you can take help from us as well. So this is the video of the day. If you find any sort of help, if you need any question in your mind, you can contact us through our WhatsApp or through our comment sections, through the comment section of this YouTube video. Okay, I hope it will like you will like this video. If you still think that there are some job, you need a specific side of the job opportunities, that you want, that you need some jobs in a specific sector, you can also contact us. Okay, do comment, like this video, and subscribe my channel so I can make more videos. It will also encourage me, and I will work for you, all people. Thank you so much for watching the video. Thank you so much once again. Allah Hafiz.